Hello students, continuing the previous lecture, in this lecture also we will study the evidences of organic evolution. So, in the category of morphological and anatomical evidences of organic evolution, after homologous organs and analogous organs, the next evidences are the connecting links. So what are these connecting links? Connecting links are the living organisms which have characters of two different taxonomic groups or categories. And here this taxonomic group, it can be any two orders, two classes, two phyla or even two kingdoms. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि दिस कनेक्टिंग लिंक्स इनमें दो ग्रुप्स के करेक्टर्स इनमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो दिस सिग्निफाई और प्रूव द पाथ ऑफ एवोल्यूशन बिकॉज दे लाई बिटवीन द टू ग्रुप्स. उनमें दो ग्रुप्स के करेक्टर्स हैं तो वो प्रूव करते हैं या इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं कि एक ग्रुप जो है वो दूसरे ग्रुप से इवॉल्व हुआ है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक इवोल्यूशन. एंड देयर आर मैनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कनेक्टिंग लिंक. सम ऑफ देम दे आर मेंशन्ड हियर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेरिपेटस, क्योंकि पेरिपेटस में एनालिड्स और आर्थ्रोपोड दोनों के करेक्टर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो पेरिपेटस इज कंसिडर्ड एज ए कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन फाइलम एनालिडा एंड फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा. लाइकवाइज बैलेनोग्लॉसस which has characters of both Echinodermata and phylum Chordata. So they are considered as connecting links between echinoderms and chordates, or simply we can call Balanoglossus as a connecting link between non-chordates and chordates. So these are few of the examples of the connecting links. अब नाउ वी विल सी कि अगर आपको एग्जाम्स में कनेक्टिंग लिंक्स के ऊपर अगर आपको क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो हाउ यू विल इस्टेब्लिश द गिवन एनिमल और ऑर्गेनिज्म कि वो दो ग्रुप्स के बीच में वो उस कनेक्टिंग लिंक वो है. दिस इज़ हाउ दे हैव गिवन इन योर बुक्स. पर अगर आपको एग्ज़ाम में आपको पूछते हैं तो यू विल अटेम्प्ट इन दिस वे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑर्निथोरिंकस, क्योंकि ऑर्निथोरिंकस में इट हैज़ करेक्टर्स ऑफ बोथ रेप्टाइल्स एंड मैमल्स, सो वी कैन कॉल देम एज connecting link between reptiles and mammals. First you will enlist some of its reptilian character. For example, these are oviparous organisms. They lay shelled and polylecithal eggs. They have cloaca, they have coracoid bone in their pectoral girdle. All these are the reptilian characters, and its mammalian characters include presence of ear, presence of diaphragm and presence of mammary glands like mammals. So because Ornithorhynchus has both the characters of reptiles and mammals, so we consider Ornithorhynchus as connecting link between class Reptilia and class Mammalia, and it also signifies and proves the path of evolution, or it shows that mammals have evolved from the reptile. So this is how this is one of the example how you will attempt the connecting links in your exam, and likewise you can elaborate all these other examples also. So next, after the connecting links, next are the missing links. Missing links are exactly same as that of the connecting links. The only difference is that these are the extinct organisms. So the missing links are the extinct organisms which had the characters of two different taxonomic groups of animals or other organisms. So missing links like connecting links, they also confirm the path of evolution as they lie between the two groups. So missing links, presently missing links, they are not present on earth, they have become extinct. पर उनका fossils की study से it can be established कि जब वो अर्थ के ऊपर प्रेजेंट थे वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, तो उनमें कोई दो ग्रुप्स के करेक्टर्स उनमें प्रेजेंट थे. एंड वन ऑफ द वेरी क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मिसिंग लिंक्स इज आर्कियोप्टेरिक्स. Archaeopteryx was present on earth approximately 180 million years ago, and when its fossils were discovered in 1861, उसका फॉसिल की स्टडी से it was established कि आर्कियोप्टेरिक्स में रेप्टाइल्स और बर्ड्स और एवीज दोनों के करेक्टर्स उसमें प्रेजेंट थे. इसमें इसके रेप्टिलियन करेक्टर्स इंक्लूडेड फॉर एग्जांपल प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिमिलर टीथ इन द जॉज, जैसे रेप्टाइल्स के टीथ होते हैं उसके जॉज में प्रेजेंट थे. दे हैड आर्कियोप्टेरिक्स हैड लॉन्ग टेल and free caudal vertebrae again like reptiles, and few of its avian or birds character included presence of feather on the body, the four limbs of Archaeopteryx were modified into wings, again like birds. So these characters show that due to these characters Archaeopteryx is considered as a missing link, क्योंकि वो खुद extinct वो अभी के टाइम पे हो चुका है. And it also proves or signifies that birds have evolved from the reptilian ancestors. Due to this reason, due to Archaeopteryx, Huxley also termed birds as glorified or modified reptiles. Huxley ने birds को बोला. Another example of missing link is Samoria, which was present on Earth in the Carboniferous period approximately 300 million years ago from now. एंड क्योंकि सेमोरिया में एम्फीबियन और रेप्टाइल्स दोनों के करेक्टर्स प्रेजेंट थे, तो इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज अ मिसिंग लिंक बिटवीन एम्फीबियंस एंड रेप्टाइल्स. एंड सेमोरिया ऑल्सो signifies or confirms that reptiles have evolved from the amphibians. So these are two of the examples of the missing links. And the last thing that you'll do in this category is the differences between the connecting links and missing links. जैसे कि अभी आपको बताया, the connecting and missing links are very much similar. The only difference in these two is that connecting links are the living organisms and the missing links are the extinct organism. And you'll also give their examples when आपको differences आपको in list आपको करने हैं. तो this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.